How many are you gonna make?
10.
Then you need 20, 10 for you and 10 for Yaya, right? Okay, are you counting? How many do you have?
20.
You're gonna get 20, but how many do you have in the plate? On the plate, count. Count.
Wait.
Okay, how many do you have? No, you have to count. You cannot have more than 20. Count. Let's see, how many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20? Okay, so you have more than 20. You have like 22, 4, 6. You have 30, right? How many do you have? Okay, I'm gonna eat some. Do you need to read the instructions? Right. What it says. Place
2
servings
servings
of popcorn, chicken,
on a corn.
paper towel, right?
Yeah.
Look, this is important. This is the most important part. It says microwave on high, 1.5 minutes, right? So 1.5 is 90 seconds. Okay?
So it's here?
Yes. You need your stool. Okay. Very good.
One, two, three.
You have 30, so I think 2, 0, 0, right? That's gonna be 2 minutes.
Here?
Start. And now we have to wait. Okay? You have to count so you can be sure that everyone has the same amount, right? How many do you have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's enough. Enough for Yaya. And for you? You're not counting.
What is he here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for Amir? Uh-oh. Okay. Great.
I'm not yours.
Okay.
Yeah, popcorn.
You need ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup. Yeah.
Okay, enough. Hey.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Something else? What?
Juice.
Juice. Are you gonna have juice? Okay, go ahead and do it.
Yeah, please.
You need help?
Yeah. Mommy,
Go get a fork. You can go get one. And bring down one for Amir, okay? Get 1 and 2. Okay, great.
thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.